This is the 3.5-inch framing nailer we have right here. This tool has two main parts. The first is the trigger. It has a sequential or single contact shooting option here that you can choose it as you like. At this point, you activate the cartridge like this by pulling out the trigger, and through this hole you put the nails inside, and right now it's ready to use. We have some air. Also, we have the nails inside of the cartridge. Right now it's set up on single contact. It means that you put it against the wood and shoot. Our second mode is sequential. It means that you shoot first the trigger and then you use it against the wood. I'm going to take the air out so I can take the nails out too. And this can have between 64 to 70 nails in one round, and also has a bumper in this tool. And basically this is how you use the tool.
DEWALT gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DEWALT 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish. Part of our ever-growing family of nailers, DEWALT. Guaranteed tough.
Looking for a framing nailer with big power, yet small enough to fit into tight spaces? Look no further. Ideal for framing and sheathing applications, the BOSTITCH low-profile framing nailer navigates easily into and between 16-inch on-center spaces with room to spare. Featuring 840 inch-pounds at 100 psi, this tool provides more than enough power to sink framing nails into engineered lumber, despite a significantly smaller profile and lighter weight design compared to traditional framers. Accepting clipped head paper tape fasteners, the LPF33PT touts the added versatility of driving offset round head fasteners to satisfy all current code requirements. Its tool-free depth of drive adjustment sets fasteners to precise depths, while a tool-free selectable trigger alternates the tool between bump fire and sequential fire modes. The adjustable rafter hook can be quickly positioned to hang from joists and rafters, and a cleverly designed nail retention magnet secures fasteners to help prevent jams when fasteners are low. Backed by a 7-year warranty, the BOSTITCH low-profile framing nailer is built for productivity, built to last.